Hi everyone, this is Shak. Today I have with me the brand new latest headphones from Edifier, the W820NB Plus. It's the successor of the already best-selling W820NB. Edifier has a reputation for delivering affordable yet high-quality audio products, and this latest release is no exception, with impressive features like LDAC support, high-res audio wireless certification, and hybrid active noise cancellation. The headphones retail at $79 and they promise an immersive listening experience. Edifier has made a few adjustments and upgrades to the W820NB Plus. Let's have a look at the first slide and highlight the differences. First, we have Bluetooth 5.2 instead of 5.0. It also has better noise cancellation with 43 decibels compared to 38. We have 4 extra hours of playtime when using ANC. There is now the option to charge the headphones for 10 minutes to get an amazing 7 hours playtime. And last but not least, Edifier added LDAC support, so now you can enjoy high-res audio wirelessly. On our next slide, let's see how it compares to other headphones in the same price bracket. Here you will notice that the W820NB Plus has better specs than its rivals. Please feel free to pause if needed. Now for the unboxing. Let's have a quick look at what comes in the box. For the build quality, Edifier has ensured that the W820NB Plus excels in both comfort and personalization. The super soft headband and air cushions make them comfortable to wear for long periods. Additionally, the retractable headphone arms provide a secure fit with less pressure and prevent sound leakage. The buttons are easy to get to, they have a tactile feel and make a clicking noise when you press them. The ANC button is situated at the bottom. Now for the app. The headphones are also compatible with the Edifier Connect app, which allows you to customize various settings including noise cancellation, ambient sound, various EQ bands to select from, game mode for low latency, LDAC control, and my favorite, a list of soothing sound for meditation and sleep aid. Now for the sound quality. The W820NB Plus headphones are both high-res audio and high-res audio wireless certified, which means you can expect a high-frequency bandwidth of up to 40 kHz. Whether you prefer wired or wireless connectivity, these headphones deliver enhanced detail and a wider sound field. The 4mm dynamic driver with a titanium-coated composite diaphragm ensures crystal clear listening with rich, dynamic bass and well-defined mids and highs. If you prefer zero latency, lossless audio, or if your battery runs out, you can use the USB cable to keep using your headphones. I tried this on both my phone and high-res player, and it worked straight away without having to fiddle with any settings. One standout feature of the W820NB Plus is the implementation of LDAC high-definition codecs technology. This allows you for a transmission bandwidth of up to 990 kilobits per second. The audio files are transmitted retaining 3 times the amount of music detail. Expect a nearly lossless, natural and full sound that will satisfy even the most discerning audiophiles. Now for the active noise cancellation and call quality. Equipped with hybrid ANC technology, the W820NB Plus can effectively cancel up to 43 decibels of background noise. This feature creates an immersive music listening experience. The headphones employ advanced deep neural network call noise reduction technology. It accurately captures the human voice while filtering out unwanted sounds, ensuring clear and uninterrupted voice calls. I have a demo sample here, so let's have a listen. This is a microphone and noise cancellation sound test on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is a microphone and noise cancellation sound test on the Edifier W820NB Plus. Now let's have a look at the battery life and the low latency. With a high capacity battery and an energy saving Bluetooth chip, the W820NB Plus offers an incredible battery life of up to 49 hours of non-stop playtime. Perfect for travel or extended listening sessions. Even when the battery runs low, a quick 10-minute charge provides up to 7 hours of music playback. Additionally, the low latency of just 0.08 seconds makes these headphones ideal for seamless gaming, offering precise and synchronized sound. I have played Call of Duty and I can admit the latency was very minimal and didn't affect the gameplay. The shooting and bullets impact were instant and I almost forgotten that I was wearing wireless headphones. Conclusion: the Edifier W820NB Plus headphones offer an exceptional audio experience at an affordable price point. With high-res audio and LDAC support, active noise cancellation, long battery life, and low latency for gaming, these headphones cater for both audiophiles and gamers alike. The comfort, customizable options, and reliable call quality further enhances the overall package. Available in a range of stylish colors, the W820NB Plus is a solid choice for anyone seeking premium sound without breaking the bank. If you are interested in buying these headphones, there is 20% discount code below. Also, don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. My name is Shak and I hope you enjoyed the review. Please give us a like and subscribe and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.